Right now, thousands of students are learning data science, watching tutorials, buying courses, collecting certificates, but still not getting jobs. Why? Because they're learning topics, not a roadmap. Imagine trying to build a house by randomly buying bricks, windows, and doors. That's exactly how most people study data science. So in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step roadmap that can realistically take you from beginner to job ready in 6 months. No degree required, no paid course required. Just structured learning. And if you follow these in the same order, your chances of getting hired increase massively. Let's begin. Phase 1, Foundation. Month 1. Your first mistake would be jumping directly into machine learning. Nope. Companies don't hire people who know algorithms. They hire people who understand data. So month 1 is about becoming comfortable with data. Step 1, Python for data, not software development. You don't need advanced Python. You don't need classes, decorators, or advanced OOP. You only need variables, loops, functions, lists, and dictionaries reading CSV files. Goal: you should be able to open a dataset and print insights. That's it. If you try to master Python completely, you'll waste 3 months. Step 2. Practical statistics. Many beginners get scared of math. Relax. You only need school-level statistics. Focus on intuition, mean to average behavior, median to real middle value, standard deviation to spread of data, correlation to relationship between variables, probability to chance of events. Don't memorize formulas. Understand what the numbers mean. Because interviews ask, explain in simple words. Not derive the formula. Step 3. Excel, underrated but powerful. This surprises most students. But a lot of real business data never touches Python. Managers use Excel. So you must know pivot tables, sorting and filtering, handling missing values, basic charts. After month 1, you should already be able to analyze sales data. Congratulations, you now think like an analyst. Phase 2. Data analyst skills, month 2 to 3. Now we enter industry tools. This phase alone can get internships. Step 4, SQL, your most important skill. SQL is more important than machine learning for freshers. Companies ask SQL in almost every interview. Learn in this order. Select, where group by, having joins, very important. Window functions. Go. You should answer business questions like, which product category generated highest revenue last quarter? If you can do that, you're valuable. Step 5. Data visualization. Data scientists don't just analyze, they convince. So you must convert numbers into stories. Pick one tool, Power BI or Tableau. Learn dashboards, KP is trend analysis. Now something interesting happens. You can already apply for data analyst roles. Most people stop here and get jobs, but we continue to data science. Phase 3. Core data science, month 4 to 5. Now you're ready for machine learning, not before this. Step 6. Pandas and NumPy. This is where Python becomes powerful. You learn to clean, to transform, to aggregate, to visualize data. Your goal is not memorizing functions. Your goal, take messy, real-world data set to make it usable. That is real data science. Step 7. Machine learning. Start with problems. Big mistake students make. They study algorithms first. Instead, start with use cases. Predict house prices, predict customer churn, detect spam emails, then learn algorithms. Linear regression, logistic, regression, decision, trees, random forest. Avoid deep learning initially. Most entry-level jobs don't require it. Phase 4. Projects, month 6. This is the most important phase. Certificates don't get jobs. Projects do. Build 3 strong projects. Project 1, Business Dashboard. Shows you understand real companies. Project 2, Prediction Model. Shows ML skills. Project 3, End-to-end app shows deployment knowledge. Upload everything on GitHub with explanation. Recruiters care about proof, not courses. How to actually get the job, don't spam apply. Instead, post your projects on LinkedIn. Explain what problem you solved. Message recruiters politely, you only need one, yes. And most candidates never do this, so you stand out. If you follow this roadmap, month 1 to foundation month, 3 to analyst, month 5 to data scientist, month 6 to job ready. No degree required, no expensive course required, only structured effort. Comment roadmap, and I'll share the project ideas list. And subscribe, because here we learn skills that actually get jobs. Everyone is learning AI. Very few are becoming AI engineers. There's a difference. Prompting ChatGPT is not AI engineering. Building production-ready LLM systems is. In the next 5 minutes, I'll give you a clear roadmap to become job-ready in AI engineering in 2026. No hype, no shortcuts, just clarity. What is AI engineering? AI engineering is not just machine learning. It is LLM integration, array, G systems, vector databases. AP is deployment observability, cost optimization. Think of it as software engineering plus ML plus systems design. Phase 1, foundations, month 0 to 1. You must master 1 Python, async programming, fast API data, handling 2 core ML basics, supervised versus unsupervised learning, overfitting, embeddings, transformers. Understand what powers models like OpenAI and Google. You don't need to train models, but you must understand how they work. Phase 2, LLM stack, month 2 to 3. Now move to practical Gen AI engineering. Learn LLMA PIAs, prompt engineering, function calling, structured outputs, frameworks, LangChain, Llama Index Vector databases, Pinecone, Weaviate, OpenSearch build, ARAG system, flow, user query to embedding to vector, DB to context to LLM to response. If you cannot build this, you are not AI engineer yet. Phase 3, production skills, month 3 to 4. This is where most people fail. Learn async architecture, rate limiting token optimization, caching login monitoring. Understand latency cost per request, scaling strategy. This separates hobbyists from professionals. Phase 4, advanced systems, month 4 to 5. Now move to agentic workflows, multi-step reasoning systems, tool calling system LLM to, API to, DB to LLM, multimodal, AI voice plus text integration study, how enterprise-grade systems are built. This is where serious salaries start. Phase 5, enterprise mindset, month 5 to 6. Learn cloud deployment, AWS/Azure/GCP, Docker CI/CD security, data privacy. Understand how companies actually ship AI, not demos, production systems. What companies actually look for. Companies don't care if you know 10 frameworks. They care if you can build, deploy. Scale optimize one strong RAG plus agent system project is better than 20 certificates. Final advice. The AI hype cycle will cool, but AI infrastructure demand will grow. If you focus on systems, not shortcuts, you won't just get a job. You'll build the future. If you want, I can create a detailed 6-month study plan, a GitHub project roadmap, or a salary breakdown for AI engineers in 2026. Comment roadmap, and I'll share it.